So we're going to go over this that you should have turned in by now. Like I said, some of you did it before, and hopefully you just transferred those answers over. I just want to go over some of the answers with some explanation with it in case, just kind of make some connections for you. So again, looking at the three girls, first question, why was Anna kept in isolation? The answer was C, because her mother was unmarried. The mother's father, the grandfather, didn't want anybody to know this. So she was kept in isolation with her mother. Number two, why was Isabel's speech development stunted? That was A, Isabel's mother was deaf and did not speak. So it's the only person who could teach her how to speak, deaf and couldn't speak herself. Number three, going to Gina, what did Gina lose as a result of her isolation and abuse? The answer is D, her full development as a human being. Again, going back a while ago when we asked, what does it mean to be human? You have your science side, your biology side versus your social side. Number four, which girl eventually reached the education, emotional, and social skills normal for a child her age? And that is B, Isabel. So what tie can we make to that? What is the difference between Anna, Isabel, and Jeannie? Why she was able to reach that? And many believe it's because she was actually isolated with her mother. So she did have someone to care for her. And that helped her. She was socialized through someone was there to offer comfort. Number five, how did Isabel react to strangers, especially men? And then you give possible reasons. She was fearful. She was hostile towards them. Why? Well, she had never seen a man before or been around a man. Again, you could tie this into implications with single parent households, not to this extreme, but if you're raised by only a mother and you're not around a male figure very often, maybe how you deal with men is a little different, looking at hostility towards other men as well. Number six, summarize Anna's life after she was found. Describe the results of her rehabilitation, listing some of the skills she eventually learned. She only lived to be 10, so she died early. Her mental, physical, and emotional growth were all stunted. She learned to dress herself, feed herself, follow directions in a group. But at 8, she only spoke as a 2-year-old. So what it looked like for Anna was it was too late for her to develop as a full human being. And you get to see with that, being isolated affects you not only emotionally, not only with regards to your learning capabilities, but also physically as well. So with what you're going to do today, you're going to make some connections between this and some scientific experiments.